Welcome! Today we're looking into one of the most important principles in real estate. Why buying low truly matters. Home ownership is a dream for many, but what if you could make it a smart financial move? Imagine not just owning a home, but also making a decision that sets you up for long-term financial security. Buying a property below market value is the cornerstone of real estate investing. It's the strategy that seasoned investors use to build wealth, and it's accessible to anyone willing to do their homework. This creates instant equity. If you buy a $300,000 home for $270,000, you've gained $30,000 in value from day one. That's money in your pocket before you even move in. That equity cushions you against market dips and gives you a head start. It means you're less vulnerable if prices fluctuate, and you have more options if you want to refinance or sell. This isn't just for seasoned investors. First-time buyers can do it too. With the right research and patience, anyone can find a great deal and start building wealth from their very first purchase. Buying low lets you afford more, build wealth, and turn a house into a valuable asset. It can even help you upgrade to a better home sooner than you thought possible. It's about finding potential where others don't see it. Sometimes, the best opportunities are hidden in homes that need a little work, or neighborhoods that are on the rise. You're not just buying a house. You're creating value and improving a neighborhood. Your investment can spark positive change and help communities grow. Smart buying combines business sense with creativity. It's about seeing what a property could become, not just what it is today. That's the real power of buying low. Unlocking opportunity, building wealth, and making your dream home a reality. Where do you find these hidden gems? The search for undervalued properties is both an art and a science, requiring patience, research, and a keen eye for opportunity. Start with For Sale by Owner, FSBO homes. Owners may underprice due to lack of market knowledge. These properties often fly under the radar, so keep an eye out for signs in neighborhoods and online listings that aren't on the major platforms. Look for listings that have been on the market over 90 days. These sellers are often motivated to negotiate. A home that's lingered unsold may have hidden potential, and the owners might be more flexible on price or terms. Don't overlook fixer-uppers. Cosmetic issues scare off buyers, but a solid structure means big potential. With a little vision and some renovation work, you can transform a neglected property into a valuable asset. Build relationships with local agents. They often know about deals before they're public. Agents can alert you to pocket listings or upcoming properties that haven't hit the market yet. Let agents know you're a serious buyer seeking investment opportunities. When you demonstrate your commitment, they're more likely to bring you exclusive deals and give you a first look at new listings. Estate sales, divorces, and relocations can create motivated sellers. Life changes often mean sellers need to move quickly, which can translate into better prices for buyers who are ready to act. Stay proactive and keep your eyes open for overlooked value. Drive through neighborhoods, talk to locals, and always be on the lookout for properties that others might miss. The right property is out there. You just need to spot it first. With persistence and the right strategy, you'll be ready to seize the next great opportunity when it appears. Found a promising property? Now it's time to make a smart offer. Use your agent's comparative market analysis to justify your price. Structure your offer to appeal to the seller. Flexible closing dates or a pre-approval letter can make a difference. Understand the seller's motivation. A quick close might matter more than a higher price. Negotiate respectfully. Start low but reasonable and expect a counteroffer. Know your max price and stick to it. The goal is a win-win deal for both sides. Smart negotiation is about empathy and strategy. That's how you secure a great investment. Offer accepted. Now do your homework. Hire a qualified home inspector to check for major issues like foundation, roof, or outdated systems. Use the inspection report to renegotiate or walk away if needed. Review the title report and property disclosures for legal or hidden problems. If there's an HOA, read their documents for any costly rules or assessments. Get a professional appraisal. If it's lower than your offer, use it to negotiate. This due diligence phase is your safety net. Don't skip it. Protect your investment. Make sure your great deal is truly great. The house is yours. Now it's time to boost its value and comfort without breaking the bank. Even small, thoughtful changes can make a huge difference in how your home looks and feels. Start with a fresh coat of light. Neutral paint to brighten and modernize your space. Lighter shades make rooms feel larger, cleaner, and more inviting, instantly updating the look of your home. Focus on kitchens and bathrooms, paint cabinets, update hardware, and swap out old handles for sleek modern ones. These rooms are where buyers look first, so small updates here go a long way. Swap out faucets and light fixtures for new, stylish options. Even budget-friendly fixtures can add a touch of luxury and make your home feel more up-to-date. Small upgrades, like a new backsplash, add personality and protect your walls, giving your kitchen a custom look. Or consider replacing countertops. Modern surfaces can make a big impact and instantly elevate the space. Improve curb appeal. Clean up the yard. Plant colorful flowers, trim bushes, and add fresh mulch. First impressions matter, and a tidy exterior welcomes guests and buyers alike. Don't forget to paint the front door a bold, inviting color to make your entryway pop. Replace worn flooring with affordable options like laminate, or refinish existing hardwood for a fresh, polished look that adds value. Update lighting throughout your home for a warm, inviting feel. Good lighting highlights your improvements and creates a cozy atmosphere. These changes are budget-friendly but high impact. With a little sweat equity, you'll see big results and enjoy your home even more. Strategic improvements maximize your profit and make your property stand out in a crowded market. Transform the space, and buyers will notice the care and attention you've put in. That's how you turn a house into a hot property. One simple improvement at a time. Before listing, stage your home to attract buyers. Declutter and depersonalize. Let buyers imagine themselves living there. Deep clean every room, focusing on details like windows and baseboards. Arrange furniture to highlight space and function. Remove anything that crowds the rooms. Add simple, tasteful decor. Throw pillows, art, fresh flowers. Open blinds and turn on lights to make the home feel bright and welcoming. Staging creates an emotional connection. A well-presented home stands out. These small touches can mean a faster sale and a higher price. Make buyers fall in love at first sight. Time to sell. Set a competitive price using your agent's market analysis. Invest in professional photos. Online appeal is everything. Be flexible with showings to attract more buyers. Keep the house tidy and inviting for every visit. Let your agent handle negotiations and evaluate offers for the best terms. Multiple offers put you in a strong position. Once you accept, move smoothly through closing. Celebrate your journey, from finding a hidden gem to a successful sale. Smart preparation leads to real profit. That's the reward for your hard work. Real estate investing is exciting, but know the risks. Renovations can cost more and take longer than expected. Always have a contingency fund. The market can shift, so buying low gives you a buffer. Don't over-improve for the neighborhood. Match your upgrades to local standards. The rewards: financial profit and personal satisfaction. You'll gain skills, confidence, and pride in transforming a property. With smart planning, the risks are manageable. The payoff can be life-changing. We've covered the journey from finding a deal to closing the sale. Every investor starts with their first project. Don't let fear stop you. Educate yourself, research your market, and learn from others. Start small, with a property needing mostly cosmetic updates. Each project builds your skills and confidence. Success comes from smart, steady steps. Real estate can change your life, financially and personally. You have the power to create value and improve communities. Take the first step today. Your real estate adventure starts now.